Right, I'm back again. I realized, belatedly, that in order to more effectively show the toy shelves that I've rearranged, especially the Masterverse, because that was not really visible before, it would be best for me to go layer by layer, because the pictures I showed only show the front layer. So I will get the camera tripod set up and I'll be back with that. It's one of those times when I'm glad that the camera tripod is 3 feet high at maximum, but oh, well, actually that's quite good. The chair wasn't tall enough. All right, so that's a good angle. So you've seen the front level already. I'll be right back. All right, you've seen the front level already. Of course, the addition is that on the side you have the Scareglow figure. All right, so you take the two off the front, and we see what's sitting on. Okay, so it's not Star Trek at all, or Star Wars. Okay, it's Lego and Cobra Fang. Okay, so that's not quite Masterverse. Let me reorganize a bit, and I'll be back. All right, so I have a Generations Kirk, but I've already opened one, so you don't need this one. And of course, you have Marta from Star Trek VI, again, a figure I already possess. Now I know why the Lego Batman was in the back of everything. I needed something for them to lean against so that they wouldn't fall over. Okay, so I'll put Generations Kirk in front of Marta, and then we'll have Captain Kirk from the motion picture in front of that. Okay, good. So then you have room for the 3 Masterverse figures. All right, so now put these back where they were. 1, 2, and then 3. There you go. And move down to the shelf number 2. And we'll see what we've got on that one. All right, focus nicely in on shelf number 2 from the desk. So let's see, we have the G.I. Joe Classified, we have the Cobra Commander, we have Snake Eyes from the Snake Eyes movie, and we have Lady J from the Classified. Okay, good. So those are those 3. Now we can see what's on the back of the left side. You have the DC Multiverse Batman from the Robert Pattinson Batman movie. There, good. Not really my toy line. I have the Batman from my childhood, which you saw in my toy reorganization video. And I have model kits of the Batman mobiles. All right, so hopefully it holds steady here. So you've seen He-Man and Skeletor on the front before. And now you see you have Evil-Lyn and Skeletor. Oh, see? That's why it's better to have it from the... not zoomed in as much, because when you get too close with the phone, but there's Evil-Lyn and Skeletor from, that's the 92 version. And then you have King Grayskull at the back. So that is one figure I might not be selling. It's hard to see with them in the plastic, too. It reflects everything. But yeah, it's best to get every layer taken. All right, and that is, that's basically the Masterverse that I possess. I don't have that many after all. All right, so we got the pictures of each layer of the shelf. Now in here are the prototype Star Wars figures. They go all the way back. And Legolas, and then you have the Rogue One figures. Now I already opened someone from Rogue One. Let's check the box to be sure. It was a Darth Vader. Okay, so I can keep this one carded or sell it. You have Krennic and you have, oh, someone who fell. Who was that? Ah, the droid, yes. Now I have a couple Bandai Dragon Ball Z figures. So, you know, I mean, not everything on this shelf will sell, I'm sure. And there's stuff I can keep for myself. And of course you have Lord of the Rings Legolas, though I don't recall his hair being so dark. Gandalf from Noble Toys, and a couple of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle figures, which are also down here on the bottom. So if I move the toys from in front, we'll be able to see them better. All right, success. So there's the first three. You have Donatello, Leonardo, and Splinter. That's level 1, layer 1. You have Michelangelo. You have Michelangelo, Raphael, and Shredder. That's layer 2. Layer 3, you have 3 Dragon Ball Z figures, so let's see if I can get it without any glare in the way. Android 17. Cooler. And Piccolo. And now you can see the final layer, the Infinity Saga. So you have Odin. You have Captain America. And Thor from Endgame. Alright, so that is, oh wait. So that was all 3 layers of the shelf. Well, actually all 4 levels. And that's all for now. Bye-bye.